guys? How you guys doing? So today I just want to do a little info video. I just found out, doesn't have to do with this car, but Honda just filed for a patent on the name TRAILSPORT. So I was reading up on it, and it sounds like Honda is going to come out with, we don't know if it's a Passport or a Pilot, but it's going to be like an off-road edition of one of their SUVs. That's going to carry the name TRAILSPORT. Now I know like Chevy has the Trail Boss they just came out with for their Silverado, more off-roadish, you know, with a little factory lift, some knobbier tires on it. So I thought that was pretty interesting. I wanted to share that with you guys. So if you guys are thinking about buying a new SUV, a Pilot, you know, if you want to stay in the Honda family, they might have a new model coming up. You know, I'm guessing it's going to be with the Pilot and maybe even the Passport for sure, because a lot of people have been having issues saying, you know, the Pilot doesn't have enough ground clearance. It's not rugged enough, you know, and I don't know if you guys have seen it, but they're redesigning the Pilot. So next year it's going to be redesigned. The pictures that's been floating around has a new front end that the Ridgeline has. So that looks pretty aggressive. The more blockish nose on it. So I definitely could see that going, having an off-road edition, maybe a little lift on it, some knobbier tires, stiffer suspension, you know, things like that. So I just wanted to share that with you guys because I thought it was interesting. Honda's never really went that direction before. You know, it was always with the Chevys and things like that. Even the Toyota has their TRD and stuff. So pretty neat stuff. So I'm excited. Like I said, if you guys are in the market, maybe hold off and see what that package is going to be, you know, because I have heard of people putting lifts on their Pilots and putting some more or less like mud tires on it. So that might be a good package to get. So definitely stay tuned to see when Honda officially launches that. Some commercials or some info coming out on it, I'm sure, very shortly here. So you get an idea of what direction they're heading. Okay, guys, so I wanted to share that with you. Hope everyone's doing good out there, staying safe as always. I appreciate all the support I'm getting on here. I really do. Hope everyone has a great weekend, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks, everybody.